So what you'll be doing next is you're going to cut out some shapes to become your tree. So you're only going to worry about this shape that would be all the leaves of the trees together. So I have some papers that I've been saving from other projects that I'm going to use to cut that out of. If you don't have a lot of different colors of paper, you can sort of be creative in how you get your paper. Like if you have mail that your parents have opened, you could cut up some of those envelopes. I went to the grocery store the other day. I asked the person to make sure they use paper bags for me. So I have some paper here that I've cut up from a grocery bag that will give me a different color of paper that I could use. So what you're going to do is you want to draw the shape of your oval. So I'm going to use this one piece of paper to start, but obviously I'm going to need to use more ovals than this. So I'm going to draw this way to give myself an oval that I can cut out. Almost looks like an egg shape there. Now the thing is, what I want to do is I want to have more than one oval. So if I take this paper and I hold it with this paper while I'm cutting this out, this actually will give me two instead of just one. But I have to be careful to hold them and not let them come apart. So I'm going to cut on the line. And I need to hold it here so it stays together. So then I have two ovals already, and I got twice as much work done in half the time. I'm not really loving this little corner that I see here, so I'm going to put these back together and get rid of that. So, could have been a mistake, but I fixed it, so it's not really a mistake. So if I said, okay, this is the leaves on the top of a tree, I might want to plan for where the tree trunk would be, and then maybe this one's a little closer. Another way I could get that same way of saving time, let's say that I take this paper and I fold it in half. So if I fold this in half, then I draw my oval shape on here. Maybe I'm going to make mine a little pointy at the bottom. So I'm going to change the shape of that just a little bit. But if I keep this folded while I cut and I stay on the line, how many of these oval shapes should it actually give me? If you said 2, you are correct. So we'll see, unless y'all are trying to trick me on this. So it stayed folded in half. Oh, and it looks like, yes, there's 2. So I actually have 2 the same size. So I want you to continue making ovals. I would say probably with the size I'm working on, I could get 5 or 6. So I'm going to plan on making 2 more. So I have this paper here. I have some leftover of this color. So I'm going to go ahead and make 2 more. So you're going to get the rest of your ovals ready, and then we'll talk again.